the copy of the said resolution. This is about a 260,000 excess debts that we experience in this country. We'll be showing a graph coming from the Philippine Statistics Authority, and sa DOH meron din po silang mga copies that have been submitted, datas, and we are shocked to find out that there were 262,000 deaths on 2021 alone. And after that, 2022, nagkaroon pa rin ng 67,000 deaths. And these are all unexplained deaths, no? And that's the reason why this committee is, I think, motu proprio, we will be investigating this issue. So,
Mr. Chair, I move to conduct motu proprio
Yeah.
for this issue.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
so there's a motion to conduct a investigation on this issue concerning the 213,984 excess deaths, and this is duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.